Hi everyone, it's your friendly neighbor Francesco from Supasaito here. I'm thrilled to welcome you to Webflow Landing Page First Steps, a course proudly brought to you by Supasaito. Our mission is to empower you to take your ideas online with confidence and ease. Let's set the scene. You want to launch a new business or build an online presence for an existing one. You need a landing page that explains who you are and what you do. But here's the challenge, you don't know where to start and you don't have technical skills. And you need it fast without spending a fortune. We get it and we've got you covered. In this course, we'll start from scratch with a blank Webflow project and a ready-to-use Figma design. Step by step, we'll build a professional, responsive landing page using Webflow's layout library. We'll use Webflow's pre-built sections like theme, testimonials, and galleries to save time while keeping the design clean and customizable. You'll also learn how to add simple animations, optimize for SEO, and ensure accessibility. And here's the best part. This is what your finished landing page will look like. Not bad for just a couple of hours of work, right? By the end of this course, you'll know how to create and publish a fully functional landing page in under 2 hours. Whether you're starting from zero or just need a boost, this is your first step toward bringing your ideas to life online. Are you ready to build your first Webflow landing page? Let's dive in and make it happen.